Hello, I am Anuron Chakraborty, roll number 21EC10005, and here is my project for DIY assignment 2, which is a temperature control fan. So the basic principle behind my project is that when the temperature of the surroundings exceeds a certain value, the motor of the fan will start to rotate. So here are the components of my circuit. I have taken an Arduino UNO board, a temperature sensor, an oscilloscope which measures the voltage across the DC motor, a 12-volt power supply, a diode, notice the bias in the diode, an NPN transistor, and a 10 kilo ohm resistor. So the resistor I have connected to digital pin 9, while the V out terminal of the temperature sensor has been connected to analog pin A0. So let us look at the code for this circuit. So if the reading of the analog pin A0 is greater than a certain value 150, then I'll set pin 9 and 13 to high. Pin 9 corresponds to the motor, while pin 13 corresponds to the built-in LED. So if the reading exceeds this value of 150, then the motor will start to rotate and the LED will also start to glow. Now this value of 150 is something that I came up by trial and error. 150 basically corresponds to the output voltage sent by the temperature sensor to the digital pin to the analog pin A0. So basically if this value is higher, then the cutoff temperature at which the motor starts rotating for the first time is also higher. So I took the value of 150 because 150 gives the cutoff temperature to be around 23 to 24 degrees Celsius, which is normal, which is the usual, which is the desired value. So let us start the simulation. So okay, once it is started, so at 25 degrees Celsius, the room temperature, we can see that the motor will rotate. And the LED also glows when the motor is rotating. Now, if I decrease the temperature, say at 12 degrees Celsius, then the motor will not rotate and the LED will also not glow. So look at this. Suppose I increase the temperature at 20 degrees Celsius, the motor still does not rotate. At 22, at 26 degrees Celsius, it rotates. At 24 degrees Celsius, it rotates, while at 22 degrees Celsius, it does not rotate. So it means that the cutoff temperature for at which the motor starts rotating is between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius as desired. And also you can see that at higher temperature, when the motor rotates, the voltage across the motor is also shown in the oscilloscope, while at lower temperature, say at 12 degrees Celsius, the voltage across the motor is 0 and the motor does not rotate. So that's all from my side for DIY assignment 2. Thank you.